Come on.
I'm going home. I'm going home.
Stop.
I'm going home.
Dislocated her shoulder, fractured her arm, kept her in a jail cell away from family, medical care.
Without any single form of regret, officer can be seen laughing and making fun of assaulting a 73-year-old woman in bodycam footage. This is the horrifying arrest of 73 years old Karen Garner.
Ma'am, police, stop. You want to stop with lights on, siren? Stop. You just left Walmart. Do you need to be arrested right now? No. Okay. Let's stop. Come on. Come on.
I'm going home.
No, on the ground. Stay on the ground.
I'm going home. I'm going home.
On the ground. On the ground. On the ground. Why did you do that? I told you to stop. You don't get to act this way. Come on, stay on the ground.
On June 26, 2020, a Walmart employee stopped Karen Garner as she was leaving the Walmart without paying for items worth $14. Karen had dementia and was suffering from sensory aphasia, which impaired her ability to communicate and understand speech. Despite her attempts to pay for the items, the employee did not allow her to do so and called the cops instead. The arrest by the police caused her to develop PTSD, affecting her life significantly.
Stop.
I'm going home.
No, you're not. Are you finished? Are you finished? We don't play this game. You understand me?
I'm going home.
Stop.
I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm going
Quit.
home. Ow.
Are you finished?
I'm going home.
Hey, stand up. We're not going to hold you.
Alright, just go to the ground. On the ground.
I'm going home.
On the ground.
She was thrown on the ground again after she collapsed in pain because her shoulder was broken by Officer Austin Hopp. A nearby citizen witnessed the excessive use of force and felt compelled to speak up against it.
Quit.
What?
You have to use that much aggression.
What are you doing? Get out of here. This is not your business.
Sergeant.
What's that?
Where's your sergeant?
Who's my sergeant?
Yeah.
Okay, well, first, I can tell you that. Sergeant Metzler, he's at the police department. You can go talk to him if you have an issue.
Yeah, give me your card so I can put a report.
Okay.
I see you there, how you throw that little kid.
Little kid?
Well, I don't know
He's
if
not a
it's
little kid. And this is what happened.
He was just walking, and I see you how
She
you
just
grab him.
stole from Walmart and refused to stop, refused to listen to lawful orders, and to fight me. This is what happens when you fight the police. I have to use force to safely detain her. That's what this is. This isn't just some random act of aggression.
Oh, well,
I don't know if you realize that.
Yeah, well, the way that I see it from over there, you know, I was like, that's not...
But you see, you don't know the whole situation. That's the thing.
Yeah.
So when I went to go grab her and talk to her, she started running, leaving, pulling away from me, trying to fight me.
Well, that's the thing. I didn't see it running, you know.
Exactly. So before you go to a snap judgment, you gotta get all the facts.
But right here, she wasn't running.
I get that.
I see her walking right there. You pull over.
I gotta deal with this. You hang tight, okay?
Officer Austin Hopp claimed that Karen Garner had been fighting with him, and he used this as a justification to calm him down and downplay the excessive use of force involved. Karen Garner, feeling disoriented and confused due to her sensory aphasia and dementia, began to panic and resist arrest. Her actions, combined with the officer's aggressive handling, only served to worsen the already dire situation.
Here, let me see your feet. Alright. Here.
I'm going
Pick your feet
home.
up. Pick your feet up.
Okay, let's
Give me my
let's get her out over here on the ground. We can hobble her, and then we'll get her in the car. On the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
We will figure that out. This way easy.
I'm going home.
Stop doing that. And help get her in the car.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Come on.
Stand.
Yep. All right, sit down.
Hop, hop.
To put her feet in first.
Okay. You got him?
That's right. I have this. Hey, we're gonna sit in the car, okay? You guys are okay?
Yep, we're good.
You're a little muddy, dude. I think we're doing
A
inspections.
little bloody, a
tonight.
little muddy, that's how it works.
Yeah, is the blood on her?
Yeah, that's our blood. You're not bleeding, are you?
And this is who?
The sergeant left the scene even after seeing that Karen Garner was bleeding from her injuries. Instead of addressing her medical needs, the officers continued their efforts to take her to the police station.
You guys grab her arms.
Yep. We got her.
Ouch.
That's okay. We got you. We got you. Just lay her flat.
Okay.
There we go.
The officers, after placing Karen Garner in the cell, were seen on CCTV watching the Bodycam footage and found her suffering hilarious.
She's born in 46. She's ancient. She told him. She's 73. We're definitely playing. You're a lot of help with you. She's just very flexible and very. She's very calm. When I had her in the car when we first got there, and I was like, okay, you're gonna play. I was pushing her. I was like, What happened when you got out of the Navy? You was like, short start was the same. Yeah, we fought for a little bit. But she's so little, I was like, I'm gonna say, hey, I'm fighting. I have everyone in the city run code and brainstorm. Yeah. I was like, I'm fine. I can handle it. I mean, dogs. So, I was like, all right, let's wrestle, girl. Let's wrestle. Right on the ground, all that stuff. Got her cuffed up. The body cam show.
Body cams are my favorite thing to watch. I can watch live TV body cams all day.
So I'm like, I'm here.
I didn't know. You don't know.
What? Are you finished? Ready? Wrestle for me. What?
I hate that.
This is great.
I hate watching action. I hate it.
I love it.
I hate it.
The Garner family then took legal action against both officers and the sergeant for their failure to provide adequate medical aid and excessive use of force against Karen Garner. Officer Austin Hopp was terminated from his job and sentenced to 5 years in prison on charges of second-degree assault. Another female officer, identified as Jalali, was charged with failure to report use of force, failure to intervene, and official misconduct. In September 2021, the city of Loveland agreed to a settlement in Karen Garner's civil lawsuit for $3 million. Additionally, Sergeant Metzler, facing charges, resigned from his position during the same month.